Abusiana so da foforo bi obani wo de ahyiam. And I 17 July 2026. Mashe Jumedi ase enesa. Ere da Friday. Wo brabo 2 o'clock p.m. our Ghana time. Ghana san we are singing na mede braw sabri meeting etimalope. Ma memfa nchi akese enchi amedo be manager Doris Asanto anya menhira no ya de bebre. Krofo pi ne koye wo bra me issue ne by di na tem ne ade. But nyame adom atamfo nye nyame ya wohihye bia no ayekwa na mame enko straight Nigeria fo bi aho akadwem a won ton nipa nam na nipa nam no wo mo aye ne te se wo mo yi nipa honam no aye ne te se wole na wo mo eton yakwa akwache wo Nigerian kidnappers bi nso so yasa akwache wo abusia ensafoforo ka we no ho na ne me ne oba bedi nkomo me ka to se Nigeria fo na wo Ghana wo di bone no wo mutu ebeye den nya de wo mo konne akochena de etia Ghana fo bebre wo TikTok a wo mo claim to be a blogger for Ghanaian. Now could you believe say wo mo agi akatua wo fake Igbo king ho wo mo ate WhatsApp group a ye di nkomo a nkomo na ye bedi no wo mo so edekọ wo mo na e kire Nigeria fo na say munye ne say monfa ye we will fight them. And today make sure some videos to be any some audios to be a may play a Ghanaian blogger na on fake Igbo king no edin komo and I say fake Igbo king akwa grandfather so stand or more said edin komo Ghanaians doesn't most of the Ghanaians doesn't have sense and tokwana ye concern Nigeria must go no ne kube ye dim papa ebusia before that ma mentwa me homra sema nje enkrato na fe me ba yembo ewura ensem nim
yeah, never fat. Yeah. Hey, rhyme on it. Another one time.
Fresh on the mix.
Malo, why you be? We are seeing that you ultimate stretch. So for Montier, you want to ye. Malo pay Bellema could for Ben ye. If you could see any of who I gave him, the Rubona Trafaman on in your Bibri. Malo pay TV, where dear Yamidi. It is so maybe some say TV Ben American, American. Malo pay TV. Malo pay TV. Malo pay TV. Alope TV. Alope TV. Alope TV. Alope TV.
Anytime I wake up in the morning, I tune into Malope. They got great things for me, so I don't care what them say. Anytime I wake up in the morning, I tune into Malope. Omu News is so powerful, so I don't care what them say. Cause their style is so different, need no dividends. Sound me clear, you can hear from a distance. Assembly CR will report on an instant. Team antenna, I don't do that. Malope, your programs is driving me crazy. Tell me share why I'm in me, baby. Hey. Malope, your programs is driving me crazy. Tell me share why I'm in me, baby. Hey. Yeah, I said we've got you covered for your advert. Yeah, Juma, from sunrise to the sunset. TV station, a fufu running now, yeah, concert. A banner picture quality, I'm Malope, we come first.
Alope TV. Alope TV. Alope TV. Alope TV. Alope TV. Alope TV. Alope TV.
Alope, your program is driving me crazy. Let me share why I'm in me, baby. Hey.
abusia meda se wa ma me brena metwa me ho aba Ghana for a mo hwe me wiase afa na nyina Nigeria must go ekun be ye din papa mo ma me ka se me nkire mo Jumeko bi edisi wo mo nan so a na ye from Apes na is Apes brother Youth Alliance, Concern Youth Alliance. concerned youth. Now saying edisi wo mosera so eme ye koye demonstration ye start if your Brassport circle e the petition e come migration service say immigrant ne ade no brother the dia make say Nigeria queen ebe ye de ne kire say ebra sa demonstration e ba so no most of the Ghanaian bloggers no amba ebinum e claim say wo ne concerned youth alliance e wo problem na ka wo bi a ye ko ama Ghana ye ko ama Ghana o hwa South Africa for no how wo matumi clear omonyonko fellow Africans efi wo mukrum they even kill some omukum binom. I am not saying say yansu yenkum binom dabi but me kire ha wo mu nyina ye ano baako ye adwene baako ye akoma baako enti me kutia ko say omunia Africans emfiri wo mukrum. And then I am telling you, say, Nigerians are even getting more than Ghanaians. And woman Nigeria for planning so many baba ye Ghana for ni anymore. Akia pe baby afa. Ghana for na kasa better TikTok. A woman claim say they are bloggers no. Omni Nigeria for no are working underground. Here, me issue ya ye de me koto mu. Amabai. The issue was there before. And I me see I didn't frame so. Afena me paper no efi attorney general eno kwa wan kan chemo so aye o ka chem se afena me paper fi attorney general aba enti memra na yen trance na de wo ho yenka ana me ka chem se demonstration bi wo yanim age mawie sa demonstration no enti ma me couple Ghana police headquarters e ko hu police ni bi aye friend no Mr. Kwao amo oye friend is DSP na me fresh CID ni no see, I didn't know Gofodia, your friend Kingsford, and now DSP in the Casa said Malope, no more air demonstration. Awakra, Nigeria must go. I do maybe into you a beba. Jabusha demonstration after the demonstration, I may call you know. I don't see case now, and you come see case on my transfer bus, Tiabas, and they said one at the bell came in. I feel and also in Yankopon, I am at them. Now, me and Cassandra demonstration on this kind of demonstration. I know Ghana for bloggers in the baby, but I even pick a phone. Me for phone every one Ghanaian blogger said, Charlie, my baby do. I was the first person me do a Brassport. Many first person me do a Brassport. My friend Ghana boy, say Ghana boy. Charlie Malandio, now when Ghana boy catch him say, oh yeah, life. Ghana boy into me amba. Yenyina kun ama Ghana. Yenyina ye kun ama Ghana. But Ghana boy was having a problem with Concerned Youth Alliance when to me amba program no. Ebusia. The me person make can say we should be very careful when we are fighting because Nigerians are taking over Ghana. Here the edit kind one take our source. And then we can even circle. When I was on phone accessories, all of them are Nigerians. All of them are Nigerians. We call Ashawe centers, all of them are Nigerians. All business centers in Nigeria for Afanina. Na Kamia Kwakwaya said now, say Ghana for ye by 100 and Nigerians are almost 40%. Nigerians, you pay 40% in Ghana here. I am telling you. And the Galamsey site in Nigeria for no Anna Ewoho. And I am saying, say, Nigerians are planning to take over Ghana. Because here, every year the petition, echo through your friend is saying migration, you know. One Ghanaian woman blogger who claims say one day walk one Ghana pa, obedu one yapon. Ebra me kokodru circle. Many first person at demonstration me kokodru me sorry kura me ndware because Ghana hu hia me chen bi ankasa. I was having a case but me to me case in edwene. Tell the CID something to me because I am doing demonstration for Ghana. Me call police more than 200. One mobile ye call demonstration here not even up to 70 people. Police people, the policemen were even more than us. Yes, Ghana. I am telling you, some of the Ghanaian bloggers are fake Igbo Kano. I am telling you, most of them are on the payroll. And they one more year, imagine say, we may think that they are fighting for Ghanaians. Underground, they are working for Chukudi. I am telling you. Enunti say ye bomaka say ye demo. Look at the people who came to demonstration. Oh, the usual bloggers are a internet fighting for Ghana. Demonstration. Ye be to 2 page and they didn't come. Some of the Ghanaian bloggers even convinced some people that Omumba Concern Youth Alliance and they are looking for their money. Sikapena womope so a man crofo enko. Ghanaian bloggers and Kasa. A friend for a secret meeting. A demonstration where they they convince a lot of people. And in a bad demonstration, not even up to 70 people. And we are here say Kwama Ghana Bibini Ghana ni oye Bibini na adwene ye I don't want to go far. And to me catch them more Malopene say to fight against these Nigerians, you know. Ya kromo for Ghana for ni bi. Anyone and a year juma underground. Ghana ni dia onye hu sika ni breaking kabium. Every Ghanaian Ghana ni bia. Obi oye Ghana ni onye hu sika say ni breaking kabium. So it is not easy for this fighting. A true baby oppose for krabem buye. A true baby oppose for krabem buye say wo moko. There is a man mind be or Clemusa or your Ghana ni. Could you believe that we Nigerian here will be aspire? Our demonstration you call you know. Obe Kasai. Make I say many youth. There is a one blogger, youth. Mine is of Nigeria and a buy into Yembe interview. No. Many youth, me and me faka, am I a koye, Yokoshano Kulebu. Obi also Yembe interview now, what you want na Nigeria check, or Honyana na woman, Naso ye Ghana ni. And you will beka, the Nigeria for the Ghana war, you drew one maso camera, Papa me interviewer, Papa is a gaba. Ajo Ocean nose mask. Yakoto nose mask. Papa is my another story. Said Dabina Nikrum Nigeria for a better the voice. Papa ya my interview for Kako. Kolebu Emma Miame South the music me bottom sika tonsa. You to Nimni Pakro. I would never mention his name. Sana or ya Nigerian underground. Diana ye na papa person who baby amete. Sanya na ye na papano or be journey group ni adie na say or ye spire not the information e comma fake ibokin. Ghanaians, we should be very careful. Now one ye nim say one mo kwama Ghana no, they are people they are working for the Nigerians underground. And they are laughing at us in Tiamo Kuya. South Africa. Look at the way a woman to me overcome Nigeria for. I was here, me and Koyanim, Mammy French, I can say, Madam Prudence. Now, Mr. Samuel and so, Yame Inshra Bibri. Tachi, Kofi Tachi, also Yame Inshra. I was here, me and Koyanim. Nigeria ni Abrante bia Nkrophobia Kochoma, Omudi Nipanam, and the one more no to say, Wole, and the good German so, one more Tom, Yashambra.
Any Momo, we are talking about him. I put up for your back. The head people are here. No, arrange and you go to the office. The head people are here. Sir, you can't Momo. How many inches be cow? How many inches? When we are talking about cow, Momo, how many inches? We should look at that. How many? Okay, see cow. Whose cow be this one? Which cow be this one? Whose cow be this one? Whose cow? This one. When we are talking, people they think say we don't know. We don't know. We are ready for this business. We will not allow people to destroy our people. We will not allow it. Health-wise, it's not consumable. Oh yeah, paka. Inama, Fajemina. You go to sign up for your village. Wait till they come. Madam, keep on. Hey, Madam, keep on. Are you there? Yes, I'm working. I check there. I can't wait there. I check there. Mama, I check there.
Yes.
I check there. Head people are here. They are here. Don't ever come to Uromi. That is the issue. To come and say this kind of. That is what the head person is telling you.
Now
head they talk to you, so see I'm there.
if we see am again, no be all this talk wey we dey talk. We go go now for my prayer, we go carry am. Carry your back.
Abusia video ne ya kwakwa aba no. Eye nipa nam. Nipa and Nigeria, this so called Nigerians. So said you almost say Nigeria crash auto. Enti onipa nam and sa nipa we ati yemu ewo Ghana. Ede ne besi. Nigeria krono eye krobia onyankopon se fere so. In the olden days when we read the Bible, yawo krobia na wo mo ye bone na onyankopon ni onyama bom na urade yi wo monsa, urade yi ne se fere wo so. The same thing to Nigeria. The same apply to Nigerians. Look at Nigerians selling human meat like wole omo kumonipa. Me I see Igbo for young Crawford no movie nipa na I don't believe it. Indeed, right now as I'm speaking, Nigerians are still eating human meat. And these people, the president of Ghana is not saying anything. Now Ghana is a peaceful country, I am telling you, Ghana is going to be here. This is a prophecy. And I am telling you, it will happen. I say, be a mechanic, be a woman video, be a mubama, cause somebody a bum, and come say, Michelle say, and so back Ghana, a baby Accra, and some basin, and a swabum, make a can woman be a bum. And I am telling you, say, and talk about basic through Ghana and Nigeria. Nigerians are going to fight Ghanaians, say Ghana belongs to them, and they will bring on fucking history to overcome Ghana. Yama Yeni and Brea, these people will take over our country. These people will take over our country. And any panam no more tono. Any panam, Ghana any pabone said then you want to any panam any panam that. You see these Nigerians. And then women be a reject, every country are rejecting Nigeria. So when you are holding a Nigerian passport, no, you can never get your visa. The border has become weak. And as I'm speaking, ban a Nigeria for an airba every day uncountable. Ban a womopa. Ghana, Kessia yesen. Nigerian 2 states, so 3 states is more than Ghana. Ghana, Kessia yesen, they cannot contain they cannot stay their country, and they are coming to Ghana. Me say the Nigeria, what Nigerians are planning? Me Friday, Saturday, and some are made by Paponton. The Nigeria for a planning against this country. Brother, I have audios that I am going to play. Ghanaian bloggers, any fake Igbo Kenes, some Nigerians, I have gotten the audio. Ghana, Yayan Crawford, Yama Nigeria for if you don't know, I am telling you. Yaya Crawford, Yayan Ghanaians, a Yama. Yaya Crum Ghanaians, and Aya Anamako Kune, one more quite trifling Kohunuswa, no one abana for no my baby. I am got a second video. I actually Nigeria Niba and the men may be a when we are kidnappers. Yashamra.
Which he kidnapped and then collected his blue Toyota Highlander. Okay. Can you please tell us your name and tell us your name?
Talk loudly, you're broken, talk broken.
My name is Eric John. I'm from Delta State. I live at Edema, Imo State. I am involved in the kidnapping business last 2 months when I joined here, and I was involved on the kidnapping of the Highlander vehicle. That is how I joined them. And I was arrested by Mr. Kilambere and Alahaji with his members. That is how they brought me to this place.
So what be your share for the person who like kidnap? What you get from the ransom? What they give you?
They gave me 150,000, which I use and buy phone.
Out of how much? How much is the total money?
They did not tell me the amount, sir.
Okay, this is another. of their member involving kidnapping.
Woman.
This one happened to be the girlfriend of the first suspect.
This one?
Yes.
Now your baby that?
So can you please tell us about your boyfriend and the kind of business he involved in?
Talk loudly.
Introduce yourself. Tell us
Be your
about
name?
your boyfriend.
Waiting be your name?
Business he involved in.
My name is Tochukwu Precious.
What?
Tochukwu Precious.
You are from where?
I'm from Ebima.
Which part of Eboma?
Imo State.
Okay. So tell us.
My involvement
Yes.
is that I'm dating one of the kidnappers.
One of the what?
He's a kidnapper.
Are you aware he's a kidnapper?
You know the kind of business he's in.
You live with them in the camp. She normally go to the camp to visit them.
Okay, leave them in the camp.
Do you go to visit your boyfriend in the camp? Okay, so knowing fully well that is a kidnapper, what effort did you make to report to the police? But you normally go to visit him in the camp
and see their victims.
Victims hears about her name.
Okay.
While in captivity, they mention precious.
Okay.
And an extent he warned them not to be mentioning his
name.
What is your name?
Precious, but that Precious is not my own. I was there when the girl was doing video call with me.
No. So who
is it another Precious?
Yes.
Who is your boyfriend here?
Mountain.
What do you say when you see it, the first time you saw this one happen? What do you tell? What do you have this one? The day this one carry a car.
Have you ever seen him with AK?
Yes.
The day you saw him with AK, what did you do?
He said I should forget about it.
So you said you should forget about the AK you saw him with. What effort did you make to report to either the police or your PG or the vigilante in your community?
I did not make any effort.
See, he used to give you plenty money, Abi. You know they give you money.
You know they give you money.
How now? Okay, they talk. What about this person?
Go back to Commander Mohammed.
Which one be Mohammed?
About
this one.
This Commander Mohammed. Where are they?
Okay, where they?
Ebusia video no ana ya haba no. Mrantie ni obey wo mo ye kidnappers. Ana ya kwakoche wo. A kidnapping crofo. Enya sam ketwa. Meka we actually the president of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say omo nani enko ye border no so because some of the Nigerians are planning. Say omo kwakoje dan. Na mate say allegedly mate say edan no wo odan side ho baby. Na allegedly mate say na ye dan a say na ye government edan a o mafiri ma enya adwuma baby. Ena mate na allegedly mate say ho na Nigerians fo ni bi eba be start wo modwuma as a kidnapping eba be kidnapo e wo Ghana ha enti allegedly dia mate no na we are going to make the investigation to get clear evidence because okasema you need to prove an evidence HSA etisa Nigerians are planning to hide ewo achim order Amakoje dying, sana information on Mati allegedly, and I'm going to make that investigation. Best started a kidnapping. I kidnap Ghana for other share. No man imagine say one back kidnap universities and SS4. One more baby yes I kidnapping, no more best started kidnapping. Juma ewo Ghana ha you know abano man and inko ye investigation here clear videos and clear na yet to media but we allege dia matete no allege kebusia na say DNA shortly me de ebrel no nyankopon enhire obi biara nso a Ghana so dwe WhatsApp group no eda so adwuma nipa eda so ewom maba beto adofo papa nyame enhire won a me beto mu nyina nyame enhire Darisa Santua, thank you. Explain Bibia Treme, Matewa Siapa, Yami Inshira. Yami Shira Mema, Mary, no one Kamunino. Madam Prudent, message of Madam Agnes, Madam Joyce, Madam Comfort, Madam Sylvia, Madam Modoso, Kingsley, and then more Moki Kamunina, Modoso, Yankopon Inshiramo. Na Onya Mokesia, Yankopon Ayadama, Saturday, a year 2, Obesanso, Atemenka. Aha, and I'm the busy shortly. Macra, bye bye.
Marote TV, in God we trust.